Okay, I got the router working a little bit enough. It's actually varying in revs. It goes then it goes. It's messed up. I took apart the communicator brushes and the switch, cleaned it out. It's cheap. It's Harbor Freight. Anyway, a little bit of a weight relief pocket. Probably will do a little more on that. This is for the jack, because I can't get too far because I'm having a bevel, you know. I might go back further to here, but not much further. I'll do the control cavity from the back over here. And the three-way switch will be here. You know, just drill a hole from the front. This gets a hole from the back. This is the wire chase. That's just a hole, any little bit of wood I can get rid of to relieve weight. And, it needs a little bit more, but that's a start. That's basically what I do. And then I'll put the third piece of, this is not it, but this is a piece of 1/4 inch on there. And that'll be the cap, a piece of 1/4 inch. I have pieces of 1/4 inch over there, but there they are. All right, well, there you go. It's coming along. Oh, also, whenever you do this, wear a mask. The dust here is phenomenal. I already vacuumed it up, but that's a lot of dust from basswood, from anything when you route it. All right, there you go.